Hello guys, I want to show you a technique in which I was able to fix CE-34224-5 error in PlayStation 4. So what I did first was unplug the power cable. I unplugged my hard drive from the port, and I replugged both of the things after 20 minutes. And then what I did was go into the settings, uh, inside the account management. I went into restore licenses. Okay, so once you're done with this, all you gotta do is shut down the PlayStation properly. Alright, I turned it off, and it gave me an error. Interestingly, it told me that my PlayStation storage device, that is my hard drive, was not properly disconnected, and due to which it started giving me errors on the application. So basically I was trying to switch my hard drive port. It was actually connected over here, and then I switched it over there, and that's when all of this problem started. So yeah, after doing that, the problem started, and I did the I took the power cable out. I took the hard drive cable out, and I replugged them after 20 minutes. Okay, and yeah, basically I did that, and then all I did was shut down my PlayStation properly a couple of times. Yeah, that's all I did. Like, couple of times I just let my PlayStation shut down. It was like 2 times, I guess. I went into the I turned it back on, and then turned it off, and then I turned it back on. I don't know, it has to do something with the proper shutdown. So yeah, after I did it like 2 times, I was able to gain access into all of my applications, and I did not delete them and reinstall them like some of the people were stating it. I did not do that. All of my games are there, they're working fine. So yeah, I hope that solves your problem as well. Peace.